welcome back. Thank you so much for your support on the channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. You are in my kitchen, and what I am doing right now is trying to remove this pot rack. You see, I put this pot rack here a few years ago, maybe 6 or 7 years ago, and I have noticed recently that there is one screw that is backing out. So I don't want to keep piling things on. Like the rest of them feel pretty firm, except for this one and that one over there and that one over there. And so the idea here is to remove it. And then I think what I'm going to do is try to get some pieces of board onto the ceiling floor joist. There's a floor in there. There's a floor upstairs, right? So I'm gonna try to get wood onto it so I can actually anchor the pot rack into the wood that I put on the surface to make sure that all the screws are tight and secure. So wish me luck in trying to. I put it up by myself, so I should be able to remove it, right? Let's see. I got one screw out. Just gonna put it on the top of the fridge here. Oh, I am definitely stronger than I think. Yeah, so I used butterfly clips, but for some reason they still backed out. See? So I definitely used butterfly clips, but for some reason they still backed out. And so, yeah, I'm gonna have to go ahead and get what I'm gonna call a mounting board that I can mount this onto, so that these things will stay put next time it goes back up there. Hi guys, I hope you're all doing great. Thank you so much for your support on my channel. I am in my kitchen right now and I'm trying to reinstall my pot rack that was falling out of the ceiling. So what I have done is install 2 pieces of lumber to the ceiling, and now I'm going to try to anchor the pot rack to these 2 pieces of lumber. And the reason being is that it was very difficult to find joist up there to line up with the holes on my pot rack, and I couldn't, or I tried using butterfly clips, but they're okay, but the ceiling's not strong enough for the butterfly clips, right? And so, yeah, it lasted for maybe about 7 years. But maybe I got a bit too zealous and I put too much weight on it. And so a couple of the clips were coming out, and so I had to take the pot rack down. So next time, or when I'm done installing it, I will load her up, but I will learn my lesson and I will put more of the items on the shelf so that it's not too weighted down. So wish me luck right now, please. Cross your fingers. Yeah, I think everything will be okay. So I'm going to go up now. Okay, so I'm going to rest it here first. And then I'm going to put my head under it. and try to get it done. Okay. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna brace myself here. Yep. So, I'll try to get one over this side. Woo! Even my headdress is falling off now. Oh, goodness. I think it's gonna work. So, is it straight? It looks a bit lean to me. Yeah, it's a bit lean. So I'm gonna have to take two. I think I need a longer bit. I'm gonna get a longer bit. Okay, so I'm gonna take this down. Yeah, there we go. That worked. But now the screw is on the ground. Okay, let's see. Okay. Okay, that's out. Now, take two. Do-do-do-do. That looks better. Oh, now good. Okay. Ah! Okay. My arms are tired, so I have to come down and go back off after. Yeah, I'm gonna go get some water to drink. Okay. Okay, I'm going back. Okay. Oh. Got one there. Got one more. Whew. Wow. That's better. That's absolutely better. Sorry. Yeah, I'm good with that. I'm good with that. I'm absolutely good with that. So I'm going to put the other screws in now. Okay. There's one over here. Yep. That is definitely strong enough. Maybe not for me to swing on, but for my pots to hang on. Okay. Mission accomplished, friends. I got my pot rack back up and now I can finish cleaning out my kitchen. Thank you guys so much for sticking with me. Thank you for your support on the channel. Sending you lots of love and appreciation. I'll see you in the next one. You take care now.